Hey, in this video I'm going to show you top secrets and super tricks on how to increase your watch hours to easily monetize your YouTube channel. So how I did this? Watch now and don't skip. Open your browser. Click on your right upper corner of Google Chrome and then click on Add. After that, write a name and select a photo for your new browser. Repeat this process for 5 times and make 5 different browsers with different names and pictures. After that, close all your browsers and refresh your computer. You should have a fast internet connection and a good processor to do upcoming steps. Open one of your browser and search EarthVPN Chrome extension. Download this extension from Google website and repeat this to all your 5 browsers. Close all browsers and reopen it. Click on extension icon on right upper corner, then click on EarthVPN. You can see there are many countries, but you have to select 5 different countries on your 5 browsers. After doing this step, go to youtube.com and search your channel. Then go to your playlists and make sure you have one. After opening your playlist, pick the lowest quality and lowest volume, and now duplicate the tabs 10 times. Easy, right? Repeat this step to all your 5 browsers and play all your tabs for maximum 55 minutes. YouTube won't count if you will play them more than 1 hour. After that, close all your browsers, clear your browsing history and repeat again. Note, all you have to do is to wait 2 days to see the result. Have fun and enjoy. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have suggestions what kind of basic tutorials you want to watch next. Take care, bye.